Hello there, welcome back to the new lecture. So in this lecture we'll show you how to detect clashes, okay, in Revit, or you can say interference check. So before starting, see, in Revit we can check clashes between current to current project or between current to link project, okay. But the one disadvantage or one limitation of Revit is what? We cannot check the clashes between link to link project in Revit. Therefore, what we are doing, we have to use the Navisworks software for the clash detection. But if you want to check the clashes between current to current project or current to link project, so it is possible here in Revit. So that I am going to show here. So here you can see, first of all, if you want to detect the clashes or you want to check the interference, so the first step is to open any base file. So here, if you see here, I have a one small project, ground floor plan of a school building. Okay. So here I have done the, if you see, I have done the HVAC services here. Can you see the ducting layout and AHUs, chillers, pumps is placed above the terrace. Okay. So here I have opened the base file. First of all, just open it where you have run the HVAC services. Okay. Second step is to link Revit another project file. For example, electrical, in same architecture drawing, if you have done the electrical services, firefighting services, or any other services like plumbing, so you can link it here. How to link? This is my base project. Now I want to link in same project, in same model, I have run the electrical services also, means conduiting, cable tray. So what I am doing, just come here in the insert tab, link Revit option is available, hit on link Revit. Now where you have saved that, where you have saved that project from that location. So if you see here, here I have saved in same kg project, it is in same layout or in same model, I have run the electrical also. So here I have selected electrical final, just open it. Now just wait it, because the file which I am linking here is 2020 version, 21 version, and right now we are using 2024 2024 version Revit. Okay, so you have to wait it. Okay, just because for the conversion this upgrade is temporary. So now can you see the following nested file will not appear because the reference type is set. Okay, just close it. See, now we have linked the electrical model, electrical layout here. If you want to confirm, you can see here, this is my HVAC services, and I have linked the electrical also. If you want to see the lighting, even the conduiting, cable tray which we are running. Now is it clear? Okay, so what we have done, we have linked the conduiting, everything, junction box, lighting fixtures. Okay, so now I want to check the clashes. So what you have to do now, come here in the collaborate tab, hit on collaborate tab, coordinate panel. Here you will get one option, interference check. Okay, just hit on this drop down list. Can you see the option is given run interference check? Hit on run interference check. Now you will get one dialog box. So category from. So if you want to check the clashes between current project to current project, means in your HVAC services only, you know that you want to check the clashes between ducting or anything, like you want to check the clashes between air terminal device or between duct, you can check it. In the first column you can select the air terminal, in the second duct. Okay, but right now what I want, in one side I have selected the current project, means HVAC project, and in the second side I want to check the clashes between electrical services. So can you see here the HVAC component, and here you can see the electrical component is shown. Now I want to check the clashes between duct. So in the one side I have selected duct insulation, duct fitting, duct accessory, and in the second I want to check the clashes between duct insulation, duct fitting accessory, and conduit fitting, cable tray, between this. or don't need to enter, but only I want to check the clashes between duct and conduits. Okay, so just you have to select it like this, which I have done here. Okay, check the required element on both sides, then hit on okay. Finally, is it clear? Hit on okay. Now here you will get the report, interference report is there. So first what I am doing, I am just exporting this report. So export the result, save it where you want to save, in desktop with the name HVC final report. Okay, here I am giving the name like this. Hit on okay. Is it clear? Now from here you have to close the report in the Revit. Now what you have to do, just open the interference report where you have saved. So you, as you know that I have saved in the desktop. So where is desktop? Here, if you remember, see now the name HVAC final report, open it. Can you see the interference report here? Their ID number is given, clashes. So what you have to do, open the Revit. See, here I have opened the Revit file. Now finally, see, from here you can select the ID to which you want to check the interference. So you can select the ID. Suppose here ID number is given rectangular duct, and ID number I am selecting 10 whatever. Control C. Open the Revit. Now here what you have to do in Revit, see here you will get one option, manage tab. Can you see this manage tab? In manage tab, inquiry panel, here you will get one option, select by ID. See now, hit on select by ID. Now the ID which you have copied now from interference report, just paste it, Control V. Now if you want to see that exact clashes, hit on show, or finally okay. So first I will hit on show from here, then okay. Can you see here we have a clashes between conduiting and between this main duct. Is it visible? So now you have to remove it. But problem is what? Here when I am selecting the ducting and I am trying to move, you can only move the base project. Here you cannot move the link file. Electrical we have link na, electrical services we have link here. So in Revit only you can move the base project, okay, to detect the clashes or to resolve the clashes. So first of all here what I am doing, I am just copying the another ID, let's say Control C. Otherwise right click, copy option is given. Open the Revit. See here in the manage tab, inquiry panel, select by ID, hit on select by ID, paste that ID, Control V, hit on show. Okay, see same clashes is shown na. Same way if you see another, you have to resolve these clashes, okay, one by one. In Revit it is very difficult to resolve the clashes. Now I am just copying this ID, whatever, we'll see how to resolve also. Just copy it, Control right click, copy, and now here same what I am doing, inquiry, select by ID, paste the ID, show. Okay, now see the clashes between conduit and this run duct. So what you have to do to resolve the clashes, see now completely the conduit is going on, just select this fitting, cross fitting, and elevation is given 13, you have to take it 12.5, little bit down to resolve the clashes like this, see, but the tab must be attached to duct, okay. See now we have resolved it. What I have done, the bottom I have moved the duct down little bit, see, even here you can give it 12 feet, okay. Now see we have done, okay. In this way you have to resolve the clashes between this duct and conduit. After that you have to go for the next ID and resolve it. So it will take lots of time. That is why what we are doing, we are using the Navisworks, because in Navisworks how we are detecting the clash, that also I will explain you, okay. We need to export this Revit file to Navisworks, okay, and then After that, the process are there. What we have to do, that I will discuss. Okay, so in Navisworks also we can, but for that we have to export this Revit file to Navisworks, and then only we can detect the clashes. So this is all about how to detect clashes in Revit. Hope all of you enjoy the session. See you in next one.